Okay, here's our camp in Lorenzo Canyon.
47?
And yeah, it got down to 42 this morning. It's pretty cool for early May. And a beautiful area up here. It was really windy when we pulled in last night. Temps in the mid 60s. Really just an awesome canyon. Got some great views with the drone of the labyrinth and everything. And we saw bighorn sheep. That was really cool last night. Several of them.
A family.
Yeah.
Mama, Papa, 2 babies. They were so cute. The little ones were frisking around. They were jumping from rock to rock, running and playing.
Slivers of sunlight kiss the stone heights, carving secrets in the canyon's might.
Walking through the Slot Canyon here, it is amazing.
This is so exciting.
Isn't this something?
Keeps going.
Yeah, it does. I think I can get you up here too. We'll go up a little further here.
Echoes bend with fading light, a dance of earth and time's embrace. In your depths I find my place. Rivers carved your silent hymn, a story etched on sandstone skin. Each curve a tale of years unknown, a sacred art that stands alone.
How's the baby? Oh, he jumped down, or he fell, but he landed on his feet.
Oh, beautiful.
How magnificent.
My place. Every turn's a puzzle piece, a painted maze of peace and release. I lose myself yet feel complete in the rhythm of your heartbeat. Slot Canyon, hold my heart tonight. Echoes bend with fading light, a dance of earth and time's embrace. In your depths I find my place. Nevers of sunlight kiss the stone heights, carving secrets in the canyon's might. Winding paths so thin and narrow, walls that whisper ancient shadows. Lorenzo